Today's leaders in global manufacturing are working with advanced technology partners like Windstream Enterprise to address their most critical challenges, including anticipating and defeating cyber threats while meeting security and compliance standards, supporting evolving workforce models and collaboration strategies, and developing and scaling smart factory initiatives. Our dedicated manufacturing team has the expertise to meet these challenges head-on by delivering the managed connectivity, collaboration, and security solutions that are right for your business. Solutions like Security Service Edge to protect your network and create a path to a secure access service edge solution, including a flexible SD-WAN network. Office Suite HD Meeting to provide your teams with unified communications, optimizing the value of your talent no matter where they're located. And Professional Services to supplement and augment your IT team, allowing you to focus on what matters most. With the help of Windstream Enterprise Services and Solutions portfolio, our clients become more secure, agile, and competitive.